I grow each day as a parent with my child. Parenting is a journey that we all embark upon at some time or the other. And while our journeys might be different, our destination almost always is the same: raising an independent individual, raising a happy, caring, joyous, courageous individual. Hi, I'm Surabhi, your parenting coach, and ready to partner with you if you wish to raise an independent individual. To quote Khalil Gibran from his poem on children, your children are not your children. They are sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. They come through you, not from you. And though they are what you want, they do not belong to you. And that exactly is my philosophy on parenting. Our children are not objects. Our children are not possessions. Our children are not extensions of ourselves. They are there not for us to fulfill our missed out hopes and aspirations. They are there not for us to relive our lives through them. They are there not for us to discipline them. They are there for us to love and nourish them. They are there for us to respect them. Yes, respect. A concept which we often miss out. While we as adults, while we as parents demand respect from the children, do we give them the same respect? Do we respect their wishes? Do we respect them as thinking individuals having a mind of their own? We spend most of our time disciplining them instead of looking at them as independent individuals and respecting their wishes. Have you ever looked at your toddler's face when she has been disciplined in a crowd, when he has been snubbed for something? The tiny little happy otherwise face shrivels up. The same is a reflection of how we would feel if we are meted out with that treatment in public. Yet, बच्चा है, हम कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. So our children are there for us to respect, love them and nourish them. And just let them be. Let them enjoy their childhood. Let them be independent individuals. Be the right mentor for the child. Raise yourself and be a good example for the child. But don't live your life once again through the child. If you've liked the video, please subscribe and share it with someone who you feel would benefit from it. Signing off for now, more later.